application of Simpson's 1 by 3 rule from Newton's Cote's formula. So the formula is integration of a to b f of x dx equals h by 3 of y naught plus yn plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus 2 multiplied by y2 plus y4. Newton's Cotes formula is I equals nh summation I equals 0 to n yi of n ci when mci equals I upon I naught of integration up to n li of u du n equals to so I equals 2h summation I equals 0 up to 2 yi square ci equals 2h of y naught square c naught plus yi square c1 plus y2 square c2. Now 2c0 minus 2c1 and 2c2, these are going to be calculated. First, 2c0 equals 1 by 2 of integration 0 to 2 u minus 1 u minus 2 upon 0 minus 1 0 multiplied by 0 minus 2 of du equals 1 by 4. Integration of 0 to 2 u square minus 2u minus 2u plus 2 of dy equals 1 by 4 of integration 0 to 2 u square minus 3u plus 2 du equals 1 by 4 of u cube upon 3 minus 3u square by 2 plus 2u of integration 0 to 2 equals 1 by 4 of minus 3 upon 6 minus 4 equals 1 by 4 of 8 by 3 minus 2. So 1 by 4 of 2 by 3 equals 2c naught equals 1 by 6. Second, n equals 2 I equals 1. 2c1 equals 1 by 2 of integration 0 to 2 u minus 0 multiply by u minus 2 upon 1 minus 0 into 1 by 2 of dy. Next, 1 by 2 integration of 0 to 2 u square minus 2u dy upon 1 minus 1 equals 1 by 2 of integration 0 to 2 2u minus u square minus du equals 1 by 2 of 2u square by 2 minus u cube by 3 of limit 0 to 2 equals 1 by 2 of 4 minus 5 by 3. 2c1 equals 4 by 6. Now third, n equals 2, I equals 2. nc1 equals nci minus 1. 2 nc2 equals 2 c2 minus 2. So 2c2 equals 2c naught equals 1 by 6. So I equals 2h of y naught square c naught plus y1 square c1 plus y2 square c2. So 2h of y naught 1 by 6 plus y1 4 by 6 plus y2 1 by 6. So 2h of y naught plus 4y1 plus y2 I equals h by 3 of y naught plus 4y1 plus y2. I2 equals h by 3 of y2 plus 4y3 plus y4. I3 equals h by 3 of y4 plus 4y5 plus y6. So I n equals n by h by 3 of yn minus 2 plus yn. So when we add all I1 and I2 and I3 and I4, then it will look like I1 plus I2 plus I3 up to In equals h by 3 of y0 plus yn plus 4 multiplied by y1 plus y3 plus 2 multiplied by y2 plus y3 plus y6. This is the Simpson's 1 by 3 rule obtained from Newton's Cotes formula. Thank you.